Welcome to 1808 Turning Plow Court right here in Holly Springs. By the street name alone, you've probably realized, yes, it is in fact in a cul-de-sac. This is a 4-bed, 3-bath, 2,500 square foot home. But here is why it's a true gem. It sits on 1.34 acre lot, surrounded by trees, and guess what? It's in a community that does not have an HOA. You're probably realizing, wow, this sounds too good to be true, because really, there's hardly any unicorns out there on the market like this. Oh yeah, and guess what? There's one more thing I forgot to mention. Sitting on the roof, owned outright solar panels. Don't delay, contact me today and let's set up your private showing.